Evening YouTube, it's UK Lockpicker back with another lockpicking video. Tonight I'm going to be trying to pick the Abus 8570, 70mm in width to 110 top to bottom. There is spool pins in here, there might even be serrations actually. Keyway is very restricted, nightmare to tension. I'll be using a medium hook and a short hook. I have picked this dozens of times before, but I'm not gonna lie, this is about the 7th video that I've shot, so the lock is camera shy without a doubt. Just trying to prevent this from pinging out, what I do is just put a little thin tension wrench in the little gap, make sure it's nice and loose. Still tension the lock. Let's see if we can get it open on camera. Pin 1 done. Pin 2's no good. Pin 3, I reckon that might go on. Pin 3 went. Pin 4, that went. 5, overset. That's it, back up. Come on. Pin 5, pin 6, which is at the back. As long as nothing else resets, it should open this lock. Come on. Touch the other pins, make sure nothing's reset. Start at the front actually. Pin 1. Binding up actually. I think I've overset some. Pin 5 actually. Pin 4's come back up. There you are. Oh, that must have been about the 6th or 7th time I've tried to get that lock on camera. Difficult because of the keyway, but we got there in the end. If you like this video and you like the videos that I make, please subscribe and leave your comments, and don't forget to like the video. But I have got a bit of a surprise for next time, and it is this chub lock which I have acquired off an old wrought iron gate, and I'm yet to pick it. I've got about 7 hours in this lock. When my new picks comes and my Peterson pry bars, which I'm going to make, I think I'll have a better chance. But trying to use the thin wiper blades as tension wrenches for this lock doesn't work like. But hopefully in the next week or so I'll sit down and spend another couple hours on this, work it out with my new tools. So maybe this will be the next one. We'll see. Leave your comments, see what you think. Bye for now.